Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip east on Louisiana Highway 16, beginning at mile 84 in Washington Parish. We're on a two-lane undivided highway that's been upgraded to have shoulders on both sides, something that frequently doesn't exist on these little state highways. We're in a sparsely populated rural area for now, but that'll be changing up a bit in a few miles. Here we come to a T intersection and we turn left, joining LA 25 North for 2.4 miles. We're actually heading north here for a short distance, running alongside the Bogue Chitto River until we can get to the other side. Halfway into the LA 25 concurrency, we pick up yet another state highway as LA 10 East joins us for the next 1.2 miles. LA 10 runs across the state of Louisiana from the Mississippi border all the way west to US 171 just short of the Texas border. We cross the Bogue Chitto River on the Chess-Richardson Bridge, and as we land on solid ground again, we enter the town of Franklinton, the parish seat of Washington Parish. The town was founded in 1819 under the name of Franklin, but was changed to Franklinton in 1826 because Franklin duplicated the name of a town in St. Mary Parish. The town's economy is based heavily on parish agriculture, forestry, and some commercial industry. Many residents commute south into neighboring St. Tammany Parish for employment. The Washington Parish Free Fair, the largest free fair in the United States and the second largest parish fair in Louisiana, is held during the third week of October each year at the Washington Parish Fairgrounds in Franklinton. Here, Louisiana Highways 10, 25, and 16 go their separate ways as we turn right onto Main Street. From here, LA 16 runs south and then southeast for the remainder of its length. Franklinton is the home of the 843rd Engineer Company, part of the 205th Engineer Battalion in Bogalusa, and the larger 225th Engineer Brigade of the Louisiana National Guard. Franklinton is referenced in the 1993 novel and 1995 film adaptation of Dead Man Walking as the location of the crimes that the story revolves around. left is the western terminus of Louisiana Highway 1072, which leads to the Franklinton Public Airport, which has a 3,000-foot asphalt runway and uses the FAA identifier of 2R7. There are 7 general aviation single-engine aircraft based on the field, and traffic averages 38 aircraft per day. We see the speed limit drop to 35 as we enter the unincorporated community of Enon, which was once the parish seat of St. Tammany Parish beginning in 1813 until the formation of Washington Parish in 1819. You can see the Enon Library and Enon Elementary School on the left-hand side of the road. We conclude today's video at mile 97. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.